Welcome, friends. Today, I have brought you to this serene environment of the vastness of the blue sea and soft sand. Open sky all around, soft sand below, and a pair of water bodies on the horizon in front. Today's session is not just exercise, it is a union of one soul with nature. We are running every day. After work, responsibilities, and stress, it seems that we have forgotten about ourselves. So today, we will learn how to keep the body fit, calm the mind, and reduce stubborn belly or fat in just 15 to 20 minutes. Friends, first sit comfortably on the sand. You can sit in a comfortable position. Keep your spine straight. Close your eyes gently. Place both palms on your knees. Make your body completely loose. Now take a long breath with your chest full and slowly release it. Feel the salty sea air entering your lungs. Every sound of the sea waves washes away all worries from your mind. The tension in your head is now a thing of the past. For those who work at a desk all day, these few minutes of deep breathing will be the best stress relief. The body needs to be prepared for the main asana. First, rotate the neck left and right and in circles, very slowly. There is a special magic to exercising on the sand. It also activates the small muscles of your legs and body. Now raise both hands above your head and tense your body. Stretching removes inertia from the body and increases blood circulation. These stretches will work like medicine for back and waist pain for those who work sitting for a long time. Wherever you are, in Nadia, Dhaka, Kolkata, or on a beach abroad, try setting foot on this sand once. This connection with the earth will refresh you from within. Now we will do some effective asanas that work like magic to reduce belly fat or belly. First, cat-cow pose. Stand on your knees and hands. Inhale and lower your back and look at the sky. Exhale and arch your back like a bow and lift it upwards. This will flex your spine and help you burn fat by creating pressure on your abdominal muscles. Secondly, forward bend. Sit with your legs straight and try to hold your toes with your hands. This increases digestion and prevents fat accumulation. Those who are worried about excess weight should do this 10 times regularly. Friends, even if you are busy working 8 to 10 hours a day, these exercises are still suitable for you because a healthy body is the key to your successful life. If you do not give your body time, then your body will stop you one day. The exercise is over. Now lie down on the sand, which we call Shavasana. The sea breeze is touching your body. You are now a part of nature. Your mind is light. Your body is calm. Worries are far away now. These few minutes of meditation will boost your confidence and help you sleep soundly at night. Friends, before I go, I have a small question for you. From where exactly are you watching this video of mine? America, Canada, Saudi Arabia, or from a village or city in Bangladesh? Of course, please comment. Each of your comments gives me a lot of encouragement and inspiration to make the next video. I want to know in which part of the world my small effort is being used by people. Friends, now we are entering the most important part of today's session. Today's part is especially for those who are worried about excess weight or body fat, be it a boy or a girl. Excess weight not only looks bad, it also reduces our confidence and creates sluggishness in the body. First, let's start by standing on the sand and jogging a little. Walking or jogging on the sand is twice as effective as on the flat, because your muscles have to exert more force here. Breathe and move your legs. Remember, today you have come to sacrifice every extra calorie in your body to this seat. Let's now fix the fitness of the lower body. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Now lower yourself down as if you were sitting on a chair, which we call squats. This will reduce the excess fat on your thighs and hips and give your body a beautiful shape. Now, keep your body parallel to the ground by resting on your elbows on the sand. Yes, we are doing the plank. This is one of the best exercises in the world to reduce stubborn belly fat, or belly fat. Is your body shaking? Let it shake. This vibration is proof that your fat is burning. 1, 2, 3. Hold it. Friends, there is no substitute for Surya Namaskar to keep every bone and muscle of the body fit. Those who are very fat may not be able to do everything at first, but try. Stand with both hands together and tighten your chest. Then raise both hands up and lean back. Now slowly lower yourself and try to touch the sand. This movement will increase your body's blood circulation and boost metabolism. As a result, whatever you eat throughout the day will be digested quickly and will not get a chance to accumulate as fat. Remember, nature has given us all the ingredients to be healthy. We just need a little goodwill. Remember, yoga is not just exercise, it is a meeting with yourself. Give yourself just 15 to 20 minutes a day. If you like the video, like it, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe to stay with us. Stay healthy, stay fit, and connect with nature. See you in the next video. Thank you.